Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The RJR Gleaner cross-country invasion roadshow got off to a blazing start in Region 1. There were high-energy performances as the RJR Gleaner team invaded Region 1 to celebrate the theme, Our Island, Our Village. Top-tier acts performed over the weekend to the delight of patrons, including reggae artist Iba Mar, dancehall artists Skimar Haikon, Munga Honorable and Maka Diamond, as well as gospel artist Rondell Positive.
Amazing day. You know, the people have been impacted, and that's what we live for. That's what we do. Everything that we do is about impacting people.
The chain them bright like starlight. Whole team out there we are right. Everybody want peace and it's all like Jump stuck sauce and hold on top. I guess it's kind of we want them.
It was a good experience. Pick up RJR and the whole communication group, Gleaner, and that's the sauce boss here.
Yes, you got to be strong. You're all the best you.
It's always been a nice thing for me whenever I can make persons have a smile on their face. And I've been seeing smiles since we have been touring today.
Me man go out as him like, come in as him like, chat on phone with girl all night. He in my side, you know that's not right. And when me attack, and me want fight, chew me now. A girl I get bright, one pass me to when I get hype. She said me man want a coffee, her body right. But when him come home, say girls, no bother bunny.
Today was a very excellent fun day, a full joy. Every stop we make a ton of load.
Papi! Money, chop. Get the Benz chop, get the chopped up. Making money like cash pot.
I just want to give thanks for the on the road show. It's a good privilege, good exposure, and it was a good day. Yeah, man, it was a productive day because we out here interact with the fans, so the fans can see we in the street seeing we, and you know, yeah, and it's a good thing because years and months some people want to see the artists them in person, and them RJR and the Gleaner Roadshow make it finally be give them a chance for see we, so yeah, we give thanks for that.
Cause a boy like we not mad, no. We believe say we not mad, no. She couldn't feel like the lady spend enough money, no.
Well, for me, the show was beautiful, the reception was beautiful. And as always, I love entertaining people. So it's a pleasure. As you know, I promote music. We're promoting a worthy cause. No violence against women. Them.
Ray Clarks and Diamond Socks, stay! Well then, Chris, you know me Diamond Socks and me when I big clocks and me I go shirts and me mesh my bean up. I get green and do me in up. I like it, I will be stepping on the scene up. You know me Diamond Socks and me when I big clocks and me I go shirts and me mesh my bean up.
This Saturday, February 15, the RJR Gleaner Cross Country Roadshow will invade Region 2, making stops in St. Thomas, Portland, and St. Mary. See you on the road. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.